Hello, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer crypto from Coinbase to Trustwallet. So it's pretty simple, but before I show you guys how you guys can do it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys want to, get $10 bonus while signing up into Coinbase, then you guys can use our referral link in the description. If you use that link to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can get up to $10 bonus while signing up. So use that and let's start the video. To transfer your crypto from Coinbase to Trust Wallet, you want to come into Trust Wallet and you want to click on where it says receive. Click on receive. Now once you click on receive, you want to choose which coin you want to receive. So let's say I want to receive Bitcoin. I'm going to click on Bitcoin. Then I want to copy this, address, this wallet address of my Bitcoin. Then I want to go back and go to my Coinbase account. Once I'm in my Coinbase account, I want to click on this icon over here where the arrow is pointing in the opposite direction. Click on it. Then click on where it says send. It's showing me right now you don't have an account from which sending is allowed. But if in your account sending is allowed, then it's going to take you to the page where you can send your crypto. And over there, you can choose the crypto which you want to send. And then you want to enter the wallet address and enter the amount of crypto which you want to send and click on send, and your crypto will be sent from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. So that's basically how you guys can transfer crypto from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. It's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day and bye-bye.